Hey guys, watch this video first before you do the second set of number detective puzzles. It will help you out with some of the terms that you're going to find in these puzzles. The first one I want to talk about is the word palindrome. Palindrome means that it reads the same forwards as backwards. In words, palindrome would be something like race car, but in numbers, the palindrome is something that reads backwards and forwards the same. Like I might come up with a number that goes 8, 4, 2, 4, 8. That's a palindrome because it goes 8, 4, 2, 4, 8. Or if you read it the other way, it goes 8, 4, 2, 4, 8. The next term you need to know is the product of consecutive numbers. What they mean is you're multiplying numbers that are next to each other on the number line. So 5 times 6 times 7 would be the product of a consecutive number. I'm going to use a calculator because don't do this in your head. I'm going to type in 5 times 6 times 7, and the answer is 210. Oh, I don't think you can see that, but the product is 210. This is 210 is the product of 3 consecutive numbers. Okay, here's the last tip. A prime number is a number that only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. So here are the first few prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. You won't need to know them above 23 to solve this problem. Square numbers are the square roots of numbers, a number times itself. So 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 6 is 36. You won't need it above 36. Here's what is going to be, I think, the most difficult part of Number Detective 45. It says it's a 4-digit whole number. It's the product of 3 consecutive numbers. One of these 3 consecutive numbers is a prime number. One of these 3 consecutive numbers is a square number. So you're looking for the product. You're looking to multiply 3 numbers in sequence. One of those numbers has got to be a prime number, and one of those numbers has to be a square number. So I would write down these prime numbers and square numbers and see if you can't find a sequence like 3 times 4 times 5 would work. 4 times 5 times 6 would work. Remember, one of the numbers in the sequence has to be a prime, one has to be a square, but it doesn't matter what the order is. Although those numbers might not be big enough to get you to a 4-digit number, so maybe something like 7 times 8 times 9, or 15 times 16 times 17, or 16 times 17 times 18, somewhere in there. I wouldn't go above like about 20 because the number will be more than 4 digits. Good luck.